Well, we're a day away from result today, and while everyone's been talking about whether it'll be the AAP or BJP, there's been also focus on the Congress and the fact that most exit polls seem to suggest that they're headed towards another rout and dismal performance. And amid that, you had Rahul Gandhi today holding a press conference, again lashing out, targeting the Election Commission, raising what happened in Maharashtra. And remember, he'd said this a few days ago in Parliament. Essentially, Rahul Gandhi is alleging that about 40 lakh names were added to the voter list in Maharashtra between the Lok Sabha election and the Assembly election. And so he's claiming that this is a racket, this is a voter list fraud being committed by the Election Commission. All the details in our next report.
Voter list of the Lok Sabha election?
Explosive claim by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi against the Election Commission. The Congress MP once again alleged discrepancies in the Maharashtra voters list during the assembly polls won by the NDA in 2024. Rahul alleged that over 39 lakh voters were added to the Maharashtra voter list in the 5 months between Lok Sabha 2024 and assembly polls. The Congress MP claimed that the voters added were equivalent to total voters of Himachal Pradesh and that the number of voters in the state was more than its adult population. He then alleged that voters from Dalit tribal communities were deleted. Rahul Gandhi also accused the Election Commission of not responding to their demand for copies of the entire voter list.
Why were there more registered voters in Maharashtra than the entire voting population of Maharashtra? According to the government, the population of Maharashtra is 9.54 crores. According to the Election Commission, there are more voters in Maharashtra than there are people in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was quick to hit back at Rahul Gandhi, calling his charges a drama.
वोटर्स कहां से आए, वोटर कहां आए, किसका नाम काटा, इसका सारा जवाब इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दिया हुआ है, इसलिए उसका अलग से जवाब देने की कोई आवश्यकता भी नहीं है। राहुल गांधी एक प्रकार से कवर फायरिंग कर रहे हैं।
The Election Commission said it would soon give a written reply to allegations made by Rahul. NCP Sharad Pawar faction MP Supriya Sule welcomed the EC's response.
हारने का कोई दुख नहीं है, जीते हारे जनता तय करती है। हम तो जीत के आए दोनों, धैर्यशील जी आए, बट बड़ी विनम्रता से हम कहना चाहते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ये फेयर होना चाहिए, इतनी हमारी मांग है। और जो हमें जो वोटर्स लिस्ट फोटो सब मांग रहे, बस हमें दे दे।
Shiv Sena UBT accused the BJP of using the same formula to fight polls across the country.
अब ये 39 लाख वोट बिहार में जाएंगे। अब वो फ्लोटिंग वोट्स है, वही नाम रहेंगे, वही आधार कार्ड रहेगा, सब कुछ यही है, वो वोटर्स घूमते रहते हैं। ये एक नया पैटर्न यहाँ बन गया है और यही पैटर्न से ये लोग चुनाव लड़ते भी हैं और जीतते भी हैं।
Out of the 288 seats in Maharashtra, the BJP has emerged as the largest party with 132 seats, followed by Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena with 57 seats. Ajit Pawar's NCP faction won 41. Meanwhile, the MVA managed to win only 46 seats.
BJP has slammed the Congress, saying that Rahul Gandhi is trying to blame the Election Commission for its humiliating defeat in Maharashtra. The game is on and now the ball is in the Election Commission's court. With video journalist Jagannath, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.
And Mosmi Singh, who filed that report for us, is joining us with more details on this broadcast. Mosmi, the timing of this particular press conference, and while Rahul Gandhi was accompanied by several other allies of the India bloc from Maharashtra, the timing of Rahul Gandhi speaking up, attacking the Election Commission has led to the opposition for the Congress saying essentially that, look, this is timed to the Delhi election results, that the Congress is already pinning the blame on the Election Commission.
Really, Akshita, Rahul Gandhi, launched a frontal attack on the Election Commission today as a part, an extension of his speech in the Lok Sabha during the President's Thanksgiving motion. And clearly, as it comes close on the heels of the results for the Delhi Assembly elections being out, it was just but natural that the BJP would slam that Rahul Gandhi is trying to yet again ready the ground for pinning the blame on the electoral list and in fact the election commission and the irregularities which have not in fact stuck or stood any ground as far as evidence is concerned or passing the litmus test is concerned. One thing said and done, this tug of war is not going to end anytime soon because Arvind Kejriwal had met Sharad Pawar, if you remember, after the Maharashtra poll debacle of the MBA, and they'd gone through the voters list, and Aam Aadmi Party wanted to find out what the NCP Sharad Pawar faction really thought went wrong with the voters list. So this is a slugfest that will continue even after the poll results.
But the timing is what's led to the BJP saying that, look, Rahul Gandhi is already keeping an excuse ready for result day tomorrow. And we'll see really what the Congress has to say once the results are out, how really they've performed. But this is something Rahul Gandhi has said before as well. In Parliament, when he spoke, he'd referred to this, saying that the Maharashtra voter list is, according to him, there is in fact fraud there, and he says there are anomalies that need to be addressed. The Election Commissioner said we'll address all of these concerns in writing, so we'll see really what the poll panel has to say about these allegations. Let's move on to another big story that came in today, one that again spelled relief for the middle class. Days after the income tax cut in the budget by the Modi government, there's more good news for the middle class as the EMI burden is going to come down, courtesy the RBI slashing interest rates by 25 basis points.
There will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
For the Aam Aadmi, it's a rare double bonanza in the span of just a week. 6 days after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made income of up to 12 lakh rupees tax-free, the Reserve Bank Governor has ensured cheaper home, car and personal loans. In tandem, the two will leave the middle class with more money in hand and, as the government hopes, will push them to spend more and prop up the economy. What the RBI did today is take a break from its near 5-year battle against high prices to cut the repo rate by 0.25 percentage point. The central bank has been under pressure to give way on rates after the Indian economy slowed down to a 7-quarter low in July-September.
The MPC noted that inflation has declined, supported by favorable outlook on food and continuing transmission of past monetary policy action. It is expected to further moderate in 2025-26, gradually aligning with the target.
However, the initial enthusiasm in the stock markets for the rate cuts was tempered by RBI's unchanged outlook on its future plans. D Street was excited about a pivot in RBI's stance, from neutral to dovish, which has not happened. Lower rates typically push more money into stocks, but the RBI has clearly said is playing it safe, given the tremendous flux in the global geopolitical situation.
This restrictive, less restrictive policy is only, for this particular MPC meeting and not, going forward. This stance continues to be neutral.
Despite the Indian economy strongly chugging along, there are dark clouds on the horizon. The RBI governor revealed his biggest worry, and it's not the recent plunge in the rupee.
A higher worry, for us would be the global uncertainties as to how, that pans out. Because, that has direct impact. That has direct impact on growth. That has direct impact on investment decisions. That has direct impact on consumption expenditure decisions, which get deferred.
The RBI also promised more, from ensuring a quicker pass-on of the lower interest rates by banks to consumers to a crackdown on banks mis-selling loans. Cyber financial fraud has also been flagged as one of the big concerns by RBI. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.